The Army Physical Fitness Test, or APFT, is the first of many must-pass events the cadets will conduct in order to graduate after their long 37 days of training during advanced camp. What the APFT does is measure your upper body muscular, ab, and cardiovascular endurance. In result, the test is broken up into different parts.
So you have 3 events. You have the push-up, the sit-up, and the 2-mile run. The push-up is designed to measure your muscular endurance for 2 minutes of push-ups, your core for 2 minutes of sit-ups, and your cardiovascular endurance for the 2-mile run.
This morning, 1st Regiment's morale was high, and every cadet seemed to have their own inner motivation driving them through the physically strenuous test.
Feels great to max it. It's my goal to rank as high as I can in my platoon.
There is a maximum for each event, depending on your age group and gender, that will score you full points, and then there is a minimum that will score you a passing score of 60 points of each event. Getting 300 points in the APFT or 100 points in each of the 3 events is a perfect score. From the Cadet Summer Training Public Affairs Office, I'm Stephen Eschbach.